So I used to walk probably 15, 20 miles a week just to try to stay fit. I couldn't do that anymore. I had to stop. I have a member of my family who is an orthopedic surgeon. She very quickly recommended that one of the leading clinics as far as she was concerned is the Duval Clinic. From the very first time I contacted the clinic, the very first person I spoke to the very last person who's checking me out, when you first wake up from the surgery, the bedside manner of all of the people here is excellent. Robots are a part of our world today. The reason I was interested in it is because of the precision involved. Recovery would be less, that the post-surgery experience would be more comfortable, and that I would probably be healing more quickly. The forgotten implant idea is already happening for me. I'm not aware of it when I'm walking, other than it's so much easier to move. The joint works so naturally and so easily. That sense of being held competently and securely relieves anxiety, relieves stress. They were all very professional. They all knew their job. They were all kind.